Audio CD 2, track 49. Word focus. 1. Cuisine. Italian cuisine is known all over the world.
2. Recommend. Chris recommended we try Dongpo Park while we're here.
3. Specialty. My mother's specialty is beef curry.
4. Greasy. Fast food is usually pretty greasy.
5. Straw. I don't want to drink directly from the glass. I need a straw.
6. Crowd. A crowd stood watching the two men fight in the street.
7. Expression. I don't think the expression long time no see comes from Chinese.
8. Convincing. That's one of the most convincing books I've ever read.